So this phrase in line 1 of verse 43, sama, means equal. So Sanatana Goswami is saying, yes, all the gopis were together, all the gopis were equal. So sama means all the gopis were equal except one. All the Astasakis, all the Sakis have Mahabhav. That's a fact. But they don't have Madanakya Mahabhav, Divyanmad, only Radharani. So except one was not present at this time. And Sametabhir also means most supremely beautiful gopi, in other words, Sri Radha. This word, Sanatana Goswami Pad says, this word in verse 43, line 1, Tabi Sametabhir, proves that Srimati Radharani has not yet arrived in Rasa Mandala. That's why we say, that's why Vishwanath Chakravarti says, Srimad Bhagavatam Rasika Bhakta Saha Sangha. Hear the Srimad Bhagavatam and the association of Rasika Bhaktas. And if you don't know, if you can't see any in front of you, then open the commentaries of the Acharyas, like Sanatana Goswami and Jiva and Vishwanath, and then you'll see the Shastras through the eye of the Rasiks, the Rasik Jans. Beautiful. Fantastic. And it's also logical, it makes sense. Because Krishna could never be so harsh to Radharani. Go home! Why you came here? Swagatam! Swagatam? Who are you speaking to? Swagatam? Go home? I am a gopi. This forest belongs to me. I am Vrindavan Ishri. Who are you talking to, man? I'll have you locked up in the Mathura jail if you speak anymore. I am the queen, not you. This shows that Radharani has extra special love for Krishna. So Krishna is just biding his time, teasing and confusing the Braja Gopis with his double entendre. That's a clever word that professors use. She can ask you what it means. Double entendre is a French word. Talking back in verses 18 through 28, wherein Krishna is talking to the Braj Gopis in a contrary and indifferent mood. Krishna in manner, mood and manner. Repeatedly, Krishna is preaching to these gopis that are in front of him before Radharani arrived about their social duties and rituals in the Varnashram, karma and dharma system. And he repeatedly asked and ordered them to go home, return to their houses. The whole dialogue of Krishna was employed just to pass the time. Krishna was waiting for the arrival of Srimati Radharani. Otherwise, Sanatana Goswami speaks, it would be impossible, absolutely impossible, for Krishna to ever speak these verses, verse 18 through 28, if Radharani was present before him. So this proves that Radharani is not there at that time. And the reason that Radharani was late, because she had too much makeup to put on and apply too many decorations. So Krishna did not start the ras of dance due to being moved and inspired by the prayers of all the gopis in the Pranaya Gita. So even despite the Pranaya Gita, which was so amazing and so wonderful, it didn't move Krishna's heart 1 inch. They spoke these 11 verses, verse 31 to 41. It's our pranaya. It's our pranaya. Sneyaman. It's Sneyaman pranaya. So Krishna's saying, yes, it's your pranaya. You're at that very high level of pranaya prem. And I'm really duly impressed. And you're quite eloquent at that, and I feel you're very sincere in your presentation. But do you know that after pranaya, there's rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, modanakya, and madanakya mahabhav. And I'm just biding my time, waiting for Madanakya Mahabhav Swarupini Radharani ki Jai. Jai Radhe. So this is a beautiful contribution of our Rasik Jan, Sri Sanatana Goswami Pad. Nice secret, huh? All's well that ends well. I was waiting for the longest time to drop that atom bomb. This is the cherry on the cake, as they say. If Radha's there, everything's perfect.